Today's video, I'll go over the features of this solar floodlight and show how it lights up my backyard tree nicely at the end. By the way, I was provided with this light to review, but as usual, this is my honest opinion after using it. The package comes with the floodlight, a solar panel, a remote, a mounting bracket for the solar panel, a couple of ground spikes to use the light as a landscape light, and some screws for mounting the light on the wall. The solar panel is a good size at 7 inches by 9 inches. I like how it's separated from the light, so the solar panel can be placed in a spot that gets the most sunlight around the light. The connecting wire is a good length at about 16.5 feet long. The light is sturdy and well built with a metal case. It's about 4 inches by 5 inches. It has 60 LEDs inside. There's a small charging indicator light as well and a remote receiver. It's rated IP67 waterproofing, so it should hold up well in the elements outdoors. All the functions are controlled by this remote. The 2 AAA batteries are included, which is nice. First, there's the on and off button to turn the light on or off. This center mode button toggles through the 8 color modes: red, orange, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, and a color changing RGB mode which cycles through the colors slowly. The RGB buttons on the wheel jumps to these color modes directly. There are 6 timer buttons to have the light on manually for 3 to 8 hours. Lastly, there's a button for auto mode. The auto mode turns the light on automatically at night and off during the day while it's charging. I have placed this floodlight to point at my big backyard tree. I set it in the auto mode and it lasts most of the night, even nowadays in the winter. Of course, the mileage of any solar light will vary depending on specific weather condition and sunlight intensity of its mounting location. I do wish there's an indicator on the battery level somewhere. At about $40, I like solar lights like these, which cost me nothing more to run. I'll put a link to this light below in the description. There's additional discounts offered from time to time. Thanks for watching.